historic
There
launch
you go.
of the
That
PSLV
is
has
the
taken
launch
place.
of Chandrayaan. It's history in the
You can see
making,
the vehicle soaring
and
into
you are
the
witnessing it
high
right
into
now.
the sky majestically.
रॉकेट बहुत गड़गड़ाहट के साथ आकाश की तरफ. Sun performance normal.
Now the vehicle has gone into the clouds and you cannot see it from the outside cameras. But all the scientists are closely watching the parameters as they are being telemetered. You can see on the plot board here the time versus velocity of the vehicle, and you can see the blink that is coming, and that shows how the vehicle is going. And in the behind is the expected nominal performance of the vehicle plotted there, and you can see that it is going very closely following.
PSM का सेपरेशन पूर्ण हुआ.
The strap-ons have lighted, and we can see from the plot boards that the vehicle parameters are very good, and the vehicle is going precisely on the expected thing.
Right, so as you can see, as being suggested by scientists there, that things are on track, everything positive so far. It's just launched. Chandrayaan 1 is heading for the moon. Remember, it's going to take 16 days for it to actually reach and settle down in its orbit. Things looking good. Of course, all those technicalities are a little difficult to understand, but we will take all that to our expert here today, this morning, Professor C. Shivaram, in just a bit. But remember, just a couple of facts that we are getting, that this is a 1300 kilogram rocket which just lifted off from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh, and it is really the beginning of India's space explorations on a larger scale, as it's very different from the previous missions that we've seen take place, which the ISRO has conducted. So far, India has only launched satellites for communication or remote sensing, as we were also being told by our guest, Professor C. Shivaram. But this is the first time that the Chandrayaan will be conducting scientific experiments. They are carrying payloads, about 11 payloads as well. Let's again go across to what's happening at the ISRO space station.
2.6 kilometers per second, altitude of 106 kilometers, and the performance is on dot as expected.
Plus 3 minutes.
Everything is good.
Heat shield का separation हुआ.
Heat shield separation, which is protecting the spacecraft until in the atmospheric regime, has been separated safely, and the Chandrayaan spacecraft now is exposed to the external environment.
ऊष्मा कवच को 193 सेकंड बाद अलग किया गया था.
Now the vehicle is going on the closed loop mode. At 130 seconds or so, it has gone into the closed loop, so that any vehicle deviations are corrected by the onboard computer, and the corrected vehicle steering will be implemented. It is in the closed loop guidance mode.
Chandrayaan
separated from the rocket, and it is in its very beautiful, exciting, very good orbit. Once again, we have achieved a perfect launch, PSLV-C11, and momentous launch.
This is Mission Director. PSLV-C11 has placed the Chandrayaan spacecraft in its orbit. The mission of C11 is completed.
Day to day. Thank you very much for being with us, and this is an excellent mission that we have, a textbook mission, a perfect mission, and we are expecting all the scientists are in jubilation, and we expect the chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, to speak to all the viewers.